Hi, I'm James Horton from Westcan, and today I'm down at Mintec in East Rockingham, and today we're looking at the fire service piping. We're going to track it and find out where it actually goes to. Unfortunately, there's no plans available, so that's why I'm down here to use GPR to scan the ground and detect where the fire service piping is travelling to. So to start off, we're going to look at starting around this fire hydrant here. By starting there, we can see where the piping is actually travelling from, and it gives us a point of reference. So I've already been through, done a quick little scan here. You can see the red marks up on the ground here where it's doing a 90-degree bend. Turn around, it's going straight across the road where it's going another 90-degree bend. And what we'll do, we'll go over to my radar at the moment. I've got it all set up, and I'll just run over the piping, and I'll just show you what sort of image you get when you run over a fire service piping, and that's how radar's used to locate pipes. Okay, as you can see, I've got the radar all set up. You can see our screen there. Hopefully that's nice and clear. I'll come in a little bit closer. Alrighty, so what I'll do is I'll just move forward, and if you watch just about here, you'll see that this line or everything will just move as I move forward. Okay. A little bit rough here. It's could have got a smoother spot, but you'll get the picture in a second. All right, here it comes right now. So I've just gone over the fire service piping. As you can see, just there. If I come in a little bit closer, you'll see those three little hyperbolas. Okay, that's signalling a pipe or a service. And the reason why, I'll come back out. Okay, so I've just gone over it with the radar, and I've shown you those little hyperbolas. Okay, so it's showing you a service there. And the reason why I know it's a fire service piping is because I've already been through and done a vacuum excavate. So I've actually been through, sucked down with my vacuum excavator, could see that the blue piping was there, and to confirm that yes, that is the fire service piping. Alrighty, so just a little video there just to show you how GPR is used to locate underground service piping. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.